these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Goddess of DIY, bringing y'all a new glam video. Y'all, we are going to continue on with our Amazon dupe challenge. So I decided to make some sconces today that I saw on Amazon, and I will show y'all the picture in the video. So what we're going to use is our clear glue. We're going to use this, it was a can, like a little canister or whatever. You could put cotton balls in, and I found that at DD's. I found this at Dollar Tree. We're going to use a foam brush, and I found this little piece of wood from Dollar Tree. It's just a piece of wood or whatever, so I'm going to use that. The thing is that it had like a hole in it. I didn't see at the time. I didn't see one that was just straight through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with a piece of like paper or whatever, so that it won't go through, the glue won't go through. And then I'm going to use some of these tiles that I got from dotflower.com. And we're going to use these tiles I got from Amazon. Those are some mosaic tiles. And y'all, this is how y'all know I'm a nurse for real. Listen, I was at work and I was doing some of my little DIY stuff, and I ended up like all this, I broke the bag that it came in, so it was all over everywhere, the diamonds. So I had to put it in this little, if y'all know what this is. This is a specimen cup. So y'all, we have to make do with what we have. So anyway, these are the diamonds that I got from Amazon. So there was someone in the comments saying that they could not find these on Amazon, but the thing is that they're called different names. They were originally called crushed diamonds, but you can also look up wedding scatter and confetti. So diamond confetti. So that's and I did put a link in there. I'm gonna try to put links in there, y'all. I just don't be having time, but I'm gonna try to start when I can put links so that you can go directly to what you're looking for. So I apologize for that, y'all. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and put everything together, and I hope you all stay tuned in this video for the end result. It is beautiful, y'all. So this is the first part of it, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let this dry. Okay guys, here are the sconces from Amazon, and here are mine. Okay guys, so this is the end result of the beautiful, gorgeous sconces that I made. They are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. They were so simple to make, inexpensive, except for, of course, the tile, but that's what makes these look so gorgeous, y'all. I know I need to clean them off, but they are super, super cute. Okay, y'all, so if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all have a beautiful day.